Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10, Shakir Pasha I Lacy. The series is based on the true story of the Shakir Pasha family, an Ottoman dynasty shattered by scandal only to give rise to some of the 20th century's greatest artists. In 1911, Shakir Pasha was a retired commander and history writer living on Bucada when his eldest son Jivad returned from Oxford with an Italian wife. They all lived together in the family villa, where the Bohemian Jivat was increasingly at odds with his military father, who disapproved of Jivat's wife and lifestyle. But Jivat's wife became infatuated with the older man, and he was unable to resist. So began a chain of events that tore the Shakir Pasha family apart, which is just the beginning of their remarkable story. Number 9, Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Kaur Khan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Firid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hali Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 8. Bir Yaminittam. In the series, Karim's relationship with Ajran, the daughter of the person he thinks is his father's murderer, starts with hostility and moves to another level, and the two young people start working together to find the real murderer. Karim and Ajran, who become more attached to each other with every obstacle they encounter, soon fall into an impossible love. Number 7. Sahib Sizzler, a story of six siblings Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who, after suddenly losing their parents, struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardain. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardain's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a scattered life in the forest, raising six children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 6. Syakalp. Sumro left the children she gave birth to at a young age and built a new life and family for herself. Malik and Nu learned their mother's identity from their grandmother's final words and set out to find her. Sumru, who is now married to one of the Cappadocia's wealthiest businessmen, Samit, continues her lavish life with the children she had with him. However, she has different plans regarding Samit's son from his first marriage, Jihan. The past of Malik and Nu, who are seeking to confront their mother, will unexpectedly cross with Jihan and his reluctant fiancée, Sivilai. Number 5. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphaned Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanja's beauty and finds her suitable for her son, although she does not like the idea. Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. When Hanjar marries Jihan and starts living in the mansion of this family full of secrets, her life changes forever. Hanjar is shocked to learn that Jihan's ex-wife Beza also lives in the mansion. Number 4. Ruzgali Tepe. Halil, who has been going through hard times with his family when his father is imprisoned for slander, vows revenge when he loses the house where he spent his happiest days. After the death of his parents, he puts his revenge plan into action. He is waiting for the day when he will face the Aslanli family who stole his part and his family. This young man, who has struggled against difficulties since childhood, now returns to the town to take revenge on those who did this evil to him. He has an unexpected encounter with Zainab, the daughter of the wealthiest family in the town. Everything will be more complicated for Halil, who falls in love with Zainab at first sight. Because Zainab is the daughter of the family, Halil wants to take revenge on Zainab, who looks like a princess at first glance, is a real warrior who keeps her family together and manages the family business after her father's death. Number 3. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zambili, with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 2. Se Alama Istanbul. Set in Istanbul, this series revolves around an impossible love. Shahrazad, a resilient and hopeful young woman studying in medical school, dreams of a bright future with her beloved Farhat. However, their lives are turned upside down when Farhat is wrongfully sentenced to death. In a desperate attempt to save him from the gallows, Shahrazad turns to Bukbe, a man known for his dark influence, but there is a catch that she is unaware of. No favor from Bukbe comes without a price, as the unhappy marriage of Bukbe's daughter Shireen and his nephew Kubat intervenes with his plans to maintain his empire. Everyone's lives will be irrevocably changed, and nothing will ever be the same again. Number 1. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave, confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region. Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.